Improvement. You might hear this word used in daily life to describe getting better at a skill. In the legal world, however, it relates specifically to real estate and property law. An improvement is a permanent addition or alteration to real property that increases its overall value, sometimes called a capital improvement in various jurisdictions. It involves changes extending the life or utility of the land. Not every change to a property qualifies under the law. Routine maintenance or basic repairs simply return the property to its original condition. True improvements go beyond standard upkeep to permanently upgrade the site. Across the US, the UK, and Australia, these modifications are crucial for calculating property taxes and determining asset depreciation. They also matter in commercial leases when figuring out who owns a structural addition once a tenant leaves. For example, imagine a homeowner who upgrades their property. They hire a contractor to build a large, permanent garage on an empty dirt plot. Because the garage is a fixed physical structure, it legally constitutes an improvement. It fundamentally enhances the usefulness of the property and raises its overall market value. This ultimately allows the owner to claim specific tax benefits related to capital expenses.